Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Manthan with Aruna, and you all know that I am Aruna and this is an education channel in which you can learn a lots of things. So keep watching my videos. I have taken water today as a natural resource that you all know it is a very important for our life. We can't imagine a day without water, because we are totally dependent on our water for our daily tasks. But do you know what is the main characteristics of water which make it an extremely important and extremely valuable for us? Yes, there are many properties which is present in water which make it very, very important. So my first property of water is universal solvent. That means it has a property which can dissolve many things in it. The second is it is odorless. That means it is not having any kind of smell and odor. The third one is its color. It is colorless. Water is present in transparent form. Fourth property. Water is the only resource which is present on this earth in all three states. Like we can see snow in a form of solid, water in a form of liquid, and water vapor in a form of gaseous state. Here 71% of water is made up our earth's surface. But only 0.01% of water is a usable water, because the other amount of water is in salty in taste. So it is not useful for us. So it is very important to save water, because we all know that water is life. So save water, save life. So here we have done the properties of water. Now we will come to the importance of water. As you all know that water is considered as a source of life. Its dissolving property make it more important in humans, animals and plants. So if we are talking the importance among human, plants and animals, it is really very, very important. It regulates the body temperature by the process of sweating. आप सबको पता है कि गर्मियों में हमें प्यास बहुत लगती है. प्यास इसलिए इतनी लगती है क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी का लॉस ऑफ वाटर भी उतना हाई अमाउंट में होता है. अगर हम उसी लॉस को कंप्लीट नहीं करेंगे बाय ड्रिंकिंग प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर, तो हमारी बॉडी में वाटर की कमी हो जाएगी. The second thing is water is also very helpful in the process of digestion. आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा कि डाइजेशन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें वाटर का भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल होता है. अगर आप प्रॉपरली फूड को डाइजेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आपको एक सही अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर का इंटेक भी अपनी बॉडी में करना होगा, बिकॉज वाटर के थ्रू ही जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हमारी बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब किए जाते हैं उसको वो डिफरेंट प्रोसेस के थ्रू डिफरेंट सेल्स में उसको पहुंचाया जाता है. वाटर इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. ये भी टॉपिक आप लोगों के सिलेबस में होगा कि बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट्स मेक देयर ओन फूड, एंड इफ अगर कोई एक भी एलिमेंट यहाँ पर मिसिंग होगा तो ये प्रोसेस जो है फोटोसिंथेसिस का वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाएगा. Same as in germination of seed, water is also very important. The three basic required things for the germination of seed is water, warmth and air. So water is having a huge of importance in our life. There are some other usage also, like some aquatic animals, some aquatic plants are also live in water. Many industries are using a huge amount of water for making their substances, for their products. Water is used in generating electricity. By the flowing water, we can generate the electricity in dams also. Water is also as a radiator in cooling down of car engines and its temperature. You know that water is present in different states, liquid, solid and gas. You know na, as I have discussed in the properties also. So, in a summary, we can say water is having a vital role in our life. So, let's discuss some amazing facts about the consumption of water. A person who lives in a village area, he required 20 liters of water per day. But if a person who lives in a cities, he required 50 to 2000 liters of water in a day. For growing cabbage seeds into a cabbage, it requires 25 liters of water. For growing 1 kilogram of rice, about 4,500 liters of water is required. For growing 1 kilogram of wheat, about 1500 liters of water is required. So you can imagine, students, that how much amount of water is required for the farming also. That's why our farmers are totally dependent on the weather. So if you are watching that someone is wasting water in front of you, this is you only who will stop them. So do focus on this area also. This is your responsibility. So keep watching my videos. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.